Yes.
Hello, friends, welcome back. Today, we will just focus on exploration of evidence based learning within the IBPYP community, where every child's journey is a story of growth, discovery, and achievements. Let us understand the four dimensions of assessment in the teaching learning process. We start with monitoring learning, which aims to check the progress of learning against personal learning goals and success criteria. It is an ongoing daily process involving interaction between students and teachers. Documentation is a byproduct of a great teaching. So, from observation and assessment of students' portfolio and documenting, we capture every milestone, every aha movement, and every step forward success. Documenting learning is compilation of the evidence of learning together, which helps the students and the teacher to reflect back on their journey. Documentation of learning is shared with others to make learning visible. Measuring learning aims at capturing what a child has learned at a particular point of time. Not only all learning can or needs to be measured. Measuring tools can be tool design, commercialized, but each measurement tools used to provide data to support larger picture of students' achievement and progress and learning. So, measuring progress means more than just grading. It's about evaluating growth, settling goals, providing personalized feedback that engages students, parents, teachers in the learning journey. Reporting of learning informs the learner and the learning community, reflecting on the question, how well are we doing? It describes the progress and the achievement of the learner. Learning identifies areas of growth and contributes to the efficacy of program. Now, tools and strategies let us understand for evidence of learning used. Remember that strategies are the methods teachers use to gather the information about the students' learning. And we record this information using variety of tools, which are the instruments used to gather the information. When planning for assessment, what strategies and tools could be support the four domains of assessment or teaching learning process? Let us understand that step by step. When it comes to monitoring, there are various when it comes to monitoring, measuring, reporting, documenting, there are various tools and strategies available. What falls under each four domains? Let us understand that. So monitoring, observing, that is observation, your anecdotal records, your uh, conversation, daily conversation with the students reflection on the teaching learning process is monitoring learning. When it comes to measurement, your performance task, your rubric, checklists, all these things falls under measuring the teaching and learning process, measuring the assessment. When it comes to documentation, your portfolio, anecdotal records, your digital artifacts, that could be presentations, videos, recording, all these falls under documentation. And when it comes to reporting, parents teacher conference, progress reports, students led conferences, all these falls under reporting of the learning. Here is an example for everybody to understand how conceptual understanding, the skills, and the knowledge under each subject area can be monitored, documented, and measured by the educators. What conceptual understanding are we aiming at? How are the students going to serve the purpose of monitoring learning? How exactly the documenting feedback and reflection will be done, and how exactly we are going to measure and create opportunities for the students to demonstrate their understanding. Here is what needs to be done by the educators under each subject area. So, monitoring, documenting, measuring, and reporting is not only just for students, it is for students, it is for students and teachers, it is for teachers to understand how well they were as educators, and it is for the parents to understand the progress of the student. So, measuring, documenting monitoring, and reporting, all these four domains are interconnected and they complete the entire teaching and learning process together. So, when learning becomes a story told through evidence, students become more empowered, they take ownership, they engage deeply, they thrive, and they academically and personally. So I hope this video served the purpose for you to understand these four domains, and it helped you to understand how these four domains are interconnected, and it helps not only the students but the teachers and parents all together to get a reflection about the teaching and learning journey in IBPYP. So monitoring is important. Monitoring leads to documenting learning. After documenting learning, we need to measure the learning progress, and after measuring, we are supposed to report the learning journey to all the stakeholders in the learning, teaching and learning process. Thank you for watching today. Like and follow me for more such videos. Until then, take care. Have a good day.